Welcome and come discover Joseph M Demko with us. I am Les Kirshner, the principal of Joseph M Demko. I have been an administrator for 13 years, the last 2 at Demko, where I've had the privilege to lead and open the school.
Hello, my name is Monique Waters, and I am the assistant principal at Joseph Demko School. This is the 3rd school I've had the privilege of being an administrator at in St. Albert Public Schools. We look forward to showing you around our building.
Joseph M Demko School is the newest addition to St. Albert Public Schools. As a K-9 school, your child could join us for 10 years of their schooling career, and we would love to have your child be a member of the JMD STARS. Our STARS core values, strength, teamwork, achieving excellence, respect, and spirit are reflected daily at JMD through the actions and words of our students and staff. We all shine daily as our students and staff display their talents and individuality.
We offer both English and Logos kindergarten in bright open classrooms and have many state-of-the-art spaces where students can engage in hands-on and creative activities.
Our school library, where students are whisked into a world where they can explore, imagine, and research. The library has over 6,000 books to choose from, and students are read to by their school librarian, and they are able to exchange books on a weekly visit.
Our foods lab is used for kinder cooking, and students are introduced to simple culinary skills. As they move through the grades, curricular culinary activities provide students with the opportunities to expand their knowledge and abilities in the kitchen. Junior high offers food studies as an option.
We have 2 incredible gyms in our school. The kindergarten students visit the small gym 4 times a week, where they are involved in simple games and activities that refine their gross and fine motor skills. In our big gym, they attend assemblies, participate in special events, and will often cheer on our teams.
Our specialist teachers in music and drama expose kindergarten students to new ways of moving and experiencing sound. Our spacious music room, which houses a variety of instruments, and our black box theater are spaces our students look forward to visiting each week.
Finally, our STEAM lab allows our students to plan, build, and create. Our STEAM, science, technology, engineering, entrepreneurship, art, and math area offers students the opportunity to investigate, construct, and discover, as well as solve problems through play and experiential learning.
Come meet our teachers.
Hi, my name is Christy Verveer, and I'm the English kindergarten teacher at Joseph M Demko School. I've been teaching with St. Albert Public Schools for 11 years. 9 of those have been kindergarten. I enjoy teaching kindergarten students because of their sense of wonder.
Hi, my name is Jacqueline Halushak, and I'm a kindergarten teacher here at Joseph Demko School. I've been teaching for 10 years, and what I love the most about kindergarten is that it's a place where the kids' imaginations can run wild.
Literacy is a daily focus in kindergarten. Students learn the alphabet, letter names, letter sounds, and letter formations. For phonics, we use a program called Jolly Phonics. Jolly Phonics is a fun, child-centered approach to teaching literacy through phonics. It includes a story, action, and song for each of the 26 letter sounds. The multisensory method is engaging and motivating for children. Letters are not taught in alphabetical order, as they are taught in a way to help children begin to read, although reading is not an expectation in kindergarten. Students are given additional literacy experiences through reading stories, sharing about their experiences, and learning about rhymes. Numeracy is an important focus in kindergarten as well. Numeracy involves the ability to understand and use numbers, and to solve problems in real life. It also includes having the confidence and skills to use numbers and mathematical approaches in all aspects of life. Numeracy is as important as literacy. Some areas we cover in numeracy are numbers, counting, comparing numbers, sorting, shapes, and patterning. In our kindergarten program, we aim to make numeracy activities engaging, hands-on, and play-based.
At Joseph M Demko, we use the We Thinkers series Incredible Flexible You to help our students build foundational social competencies and essential life skills. We also use the Zones of Regulation program to teach our students self-regulation strategies. Center time is an important part of kindergarten. Learning through play allows students to explore ideas, manipulate objects, act out roles, and experiment with various materials. At the Community Center, we encourage our students to use their imagination. We also provide STEAM centers to encourage inquiry, dialogue, and critical thinking. Art is an important part of our kindergarten program. We give our students opportunities to explore a variety of art mediums.
In the Logos program, the curriculum used is the Alberta Program of Studies, which is the same as every other class or program. Teachers integrate biblical truths and faith into teaching and encourage and foster faith in students enrolled in this program. Faith is integrated in ways such as devotions, prayer, singing songs, scripture memorization, talking about concepts and discussing life experiences from a Christian perspective, and program praise services once a month.
Thank you for joining us on our virtual tour. We look forward to connecting with you and your child as they begin their learning journey. If you have any questions about kindergarten or our school, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.